In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the left-hand side where you will find your navigation menu. Under that, be sure to click on your profile, and then you want to head on over to Invite Members. Within here, we could actually search for names within our workspace itself, or we can add their email. And if you do, you could actually select their role first, either be an owner or a member. And within this space in here, you could also add a note to your invite. If you click on send invite, it will actually send them an invitation via email that you are asking them to join the team. What you could also do is within the team space itself, let's say I want to add a member within the workspace. Simply hover into the workspace, you will see a three dots on the right hand side. Be sure to click on that, and then you could also add members within this specific workspace. You just want to search their name and we can make them into a team space member. No need for a team space owner. What we could also do is within a page itself, if you go to the top bar and on the very right hand side, you will see a button to share. Be sure to click on the share button, and then you could actually invite them by adding their name, their group, only separated by commas if you have multiple people to invite. And that's about it. That's how to invite someone to Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. And I'll do my best to help you out.